Alright folks, I'm here to do some magnet fishing today. I appreciate you tuning in. There's my 1,200 pound pole magnet. I did not bring a bucket because I don't have a bucket. Well, I do have a bucket, it's broken. Hardware store is closed. So needless to say, we'll toss this out. Or at least dabble it in the water a little bit. Once you get the rope out. If I use the other end, hopefully we won't get stuck. Hopefully I won't catch on any city pipes either. Hopefully my vertigo doesn't act up. Let's see if we got anything down here. I know there's a lot of logs in here. Not sure if you can see that. My screen keeps going off. I'm technically not working animal control today. I think there's a big metal sheet right there that I don't want to get near, that's for sure. Looks like we're going to have to toss it out a little bit. It's a little chilly today. Felt like I was catching on something. Bunch of weeds. Ooh, get a hot rock. Ooh, I have to put it in my pocket. Felt like we had something, but I lost it. Tuck it over the edge. That granite is loose. That block that I was just stepping on. A lot of hot rocks today. We'll take them. Shark. Ooh, had something big. Can feel the rocks, that's for sure. Water's actually pretty low. driven past here a million times, and I've actually never came near the water. Looks like we had something. All right, so we have a beautiful red fishing hook. I meant to bring something with me, some hot rocks. For my catchings, but I did not. Bunch of hot rocks. Damn hot rocks, gonna kill me. Ooh, that caught my glove. Naughty Charlie. Ooh, that water's cold today. A lot of weeds in here. You can tell that's why a lot of people don't get, they actually lose their fishing hooks. A lot of hot rocks. Looks like we had something. I could definitely feel the hot rocks down there. See? Let's give her a good toss. Damn, that water's cold today. Feel something right down there. See a bunch of burlap down there in the water. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Gotta be careful I don't have my waterproof housing on. Oh, I see a big chunk of metal down there. See if we can get it out of the pond for the public. Hopefully it's not a full car. We don't want that. It's right there. Oh. Not sure if it's trash or what. The magnet wasn't sticking to it for some reason. Come on now. I thought it was metal. Yeah. Paper or plastic, I thought it was a big chunk of metal. Guess we won't be getting that out. I don't feel like going in the water today. Bunch of magnetic dirt, sand. Frozen hands from the water. Knew it was gonna be cold. Still kind of winter in Maine. But I felt something there. Rocks. Rocks. You know, I don't have that tied off. I just lost it. Getting a little bit deeper right here. Let's drag it a little bit. See if we can snatch onto something. I'm not sure if this is a man-made pond or what. I don't think so. It feels like I got something on there. Probably a hot rock. Oh, my magnet is getting magnetized on something. Just hot rocks. Hot rocks. Oh, the sun's coming out. I see something down there. I don't know if it's a piece of brass or what. Yeah, I think it's plastic. Yep, it's floating. Uh-huh. That's why my magnet was wanting to attach. City pipe. Why is it the sun's coming out? Freaking hands are freezing. Oh. Oh man, it was on something. I can't see it. I might have to remove some of that duct tape. It's on something right about there. That would have sucked if I lost it. Come on now. Oh. Unless it's the city pipe that's going out diagonal. Magnet doesn't want to latch onto it. Hot rock.